Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon. Yeah, Asawa is here again. Yeah, today is governorship election in Nigeria. Lagos, what's up? Waiting they happen. Lagos, waiting they happen. Why would they do like this now? Lagos. Election no be do or die. Votes don't fight. What's going on? Why is everywhere around it? People didn't even come out to vote. What's going on? What's going on? Lagos Ekoni Bajeo. Only Lagos since morning till now. Lagos talks everywhere, killing, burning paper, voting paper, burning. What's going on? Lagos, calm down. Lagos, calm down. If una kill everybody, pursue everybody, wetin who go remain for Lagos? Make una calm down. Lagos Ekene Bajel. Abeg make una calm down. Make una calm down. Yoruba people there everywhere. I'm not against anybody, but you know that Nigeria, we are one Nigeria. You can't pursue everybody and stay alone. No way. Look at Asaba, empty. People didn't come out because they don't know whether they come out, they will survive it. Presidential election, a lot of people lost their life. Why are we doing this? Why would they do like this? Lagos. Make you take am easy. Make we take am jeje. Now one life we get, no be two life. Injuring people during the election. What kind of thing is this? Make una calm down. This is just my advice to you people. Make una no come cause another katakata for Naija. It no go be okay for all of us. I beg. Make una calm down. Share this video. Like and comment. Thank you. Asanwa TV.
Female. Alabama dey smile. Oh boy, see wetin dey say. Hey, Jesus. Live and direct. Even if you don't know, you must follow. Jesus. You don't do again, no. That's my boss. I'm all about game boy. See cut.